Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about DeepCool LS series AIO liquid coolers. So friend, DeepCool's LS series liquid coolers features slick cable management and RGB. And friend, the series include LS720, LS520 and LS320. And friend, the aluminium radiator appears to be longer than usual, which may present compatibility concerns. All models employ a fourth generation pump design with a 3100 RPM motor and enhanced microchannels. The business adds and friend, a revolutionary ARGB infinity mirror design enhance visual effects and allows installation in any angle. And friend, the blank logo a blank logo plate is included for bespoke design. And friend, nice, angular and crisp. And friend, the LS series simplifies PC installation with daisy-chainable LS720 fans that just require one connection. And friend, only the primary fan needs the second RGB cable. And friend, after installation, only two cables will need to be connected to the motherboard. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the LS720 model is priced at $139.99, LS520 model priced at $109.99, and LS320 model priced at $89.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.